couples manage this place.
Car made you think you were on a ride. So.
S.net.
Did I get that right? DAHRS.
Yes.
Alright, so this is the atrium, and then we do have a beauty salon also, which is by appointment. And our courtyard, we have a nice walk path. So I don't know if your mom, I'm sorry, I didn't get your mom's name.
Betty.
Betty. I don't know if Miss Betty would like to do her walks, but definitely we have residents who are even in electric wheelchairs. Somebody's reading a book. That's nice. And we have raised beds over there at the back. If your mom would still like to do some gardening, she can. An activity room. We have free exercises every day except Sundays. And then we have bingo. Sometimes there's dancing here. All kinds of fun activities. We have a fully equipped kitchen that our residents can use anytime. We always have snacks or some food available here on our standing cooler, just in case, let's say she misses supper and she wakes up at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. important to our residents. And we have grills here. Sometimes you'll see the chef barbecuing, smoking something here. We do have a movie theater also. So I don't know if your mom is still into
Movie theater.
watching movies. But definitely this is,
Uh-oh.
this is something that our residents and families can use anytime. Sometimes we even have residents who take over the activity room, they do a family reunion or a party. You just let us know, we'll let it happen. So there's a lot of amenities that you can use for free. So it's a little bit more formal dining and it's more intimate if you want to utilize that anytime that is available.
As far as the meals, are they set in the morning, lunch, and what is
Yes,
it?
so normally breakfast is at 8 a.m. and then lunch is at 12:30, supper's at 5:30. Unless otherwise we have an event, like for example, St. Patrick's Day, we have another big event. It's $7 per person if you have a guest.
For the
and then-
resident?
No, no,
Oh,
for the guest.
oh, okay.
And then $9 per lunch. Rest Thursdays is our doctor's appointment days, but we always go beyond that.
And then do you have trips like, okay, every certain day we go
Walmart.
to HEB or
We
whatever?
do.
Okay.
We do. We have shopping day. Tomorrow is restaurant day, so residents pick out different restaurants every Friday. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. I think they're doing Chinese. Tell me about, so you can. Oh, I'm sorry. Our regional chef is here. Hi. This is Chef George.
Hi. How are you?
So this is our private dining area.
it's
You can use
fancy.
this anytime. You just let us know. Sorry, chef. Also, maybe it's her 80th birthday, 90th birthday, what have you. You just let us know. Normally we celebrate the birthdays here out. Samples also
Yeah,
of the
like a
brochure.
coffee.
Sure. We have the expanded menu option, like for example today, Friday, the regular was, today's Thursday. Barbecue ribs, and then we have an entree salad. We have different options. We have cottage cheese, jello. It's not here, but it's really good if you go ahead and experience it yourself. Fried PBJ. Apparently it's like an Elvis sandwich. And then we have, this one is wooden laminate flooring.
It's a what?
Wooden laminate flooring. I would recommend carpeted flooring for residents who are fall risks. But the way that you are just describing your mom's needs is with a wheelchair or a walker.
Yeah.
This would be ideal. We were trying to make this into a model apartment.
Oh.
pardon the furniture. It's we're still building it, but like what Scott, my husband's Kevin, we can remove this and make like a transition.
Oh, okay,
So
yeah,
We
okay,
can make that happen.
okay.
So it's smoother for
Yeah.
her to wheel in her
Yeah.
chair.
I mean, that's not a big lift. I mean, some of the places have like this, you know, like a big enclosure type at the bottom. I mean, that might work that way.
We can remove this at 5,
Mhm.
and it is at 3,875. So that includes everything, all the meals, all the utilities, and it even has a dog fence. We do not have pet fees.
Okay.
So if she has any pets, they are very much welcome to stay here. We
Does
love her
every
for-
unit have a patio?
No.
Oh.
So this one is ready.
Oh, okay. But I mean, every unit doesn't have a patio here.
No, we
Okay.
do have some apartments that don't have patios.
Okay.
So this is already,
Is this so, yeah.
3-bedroom house, so that's quite a downside she has to do. It helps
Yeah.
a lot, especially when they're joining the events and the activities and socializing. It really helps a lot.
Now, is there laundry taken care of, or do they do your own laundry?
Yeah, they do their own laundry. The housekeepers will do the laundry for towels and linen. Additional health care or personal assistance will be third party. Yes, so it's easy for them to add clients onto their list.
What is this? This thing. Okay. This is
a
large.
2-bedroom, yes. I'm thinking from a 3-bedroom, does she want a 2-bedroom? Or is it too much?
I don't know. I mean, she wants it, I mean, she probably said a 1-bedroom, but I mean, depending on the cost,
Sure.
you know.
This one is 5,465 a month.
Okay.
This is actually sold already, but just to give you an idea, I do have another 2-bedroom apartment with a partial wooden flooring, just like where we were earlier, and then some of the rooms are carpeted, so it's a combination. This one, normally our 2-bedroom apartment ever home, so they are aging in place, and so we're ready. We do have on the 3rd floor physical therapy providers, occupational therapy, speech therapy. They hold office on the 3rd floor, and then also we have other than the therapy providers, there's also a caregiving office on the 3rd floor.
Okay. So, are there like nursing staff on, I mean, people?
Not on staff,
No.
but they do come here.
Okay.
In fact, the podiatrist was just here a couple of weeks ago.
Okay.
So we have visiting physicians who come regularly.
Okay.
They can easily work with insurance and Medicare.
What about pedicures and hairdressing?
Absolutely.
Have that.
That beauty salon that we looked at earlier. Hold on, this is the
Do you
second
have
floor.
church services?
We
coming
do.
up? Oh,
We do.
good.
Yes, so non-denominational. Also, we have a handful of Baptists and Catholics.
Oh, okay.
So we have regular Catholic services. Yesterday was Ash Wednesday.
Uh-huh.
They came over. Also, we do have regular communion services also for Catholics. Sundays at 11 to 12. It's non-denominational pastor who come.
Okay. And do you have
What
like,
church does that?
The one here, I keep forgetting their name. It's a Baptist church.
The one on 29?
Yes, on Williams Drive.
Oh, Williams Drive.
Yes.
oh, Crestview?
Yes, Crestview.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have like activities director, like do they
Yes,
have
we
crafts
do.
or anything like that?
We
or-
do. Oh, I forgot to show you. That's the billiards area. And then poker, card games. Over there, another entertainment area. We have the library. So your mom is still very much into crafts.
Well, she doesn't really do crafts now, but I'm thinking like if she went somewhere and it was organized and somebody like showed her what to do, she may participate.
We do. We have painting classes also.
She loves games. so-
Oh, wonderful. So sometimes you'll see study, and sometimes it's poker here. So it just depends on what day.
Do you have an activities calendar?
I
like,
do.
For people to see like what they, what's
do.
on.
So 2 computers with internet and a printer.
Extra office everybody can use. Ooh.
For this community. I don't think all of it is in the website. We do have for in Florida or Colorado, wherever. We have a community. She can enjoy whatever she's enjoying here. She can also enjoy it there.
What does that mean?
So
She can
I
go.
will show you one of the.
She can go in another facility and go eat.
Yeah, and stay there for like a week if she wants. 2 days,
Wow.
1 week, and she can have a guest with her. And so all the meals are covered.
Do you have one up in the Colorado mountains where they're skiing?
Yeah, well, I don't know if we have a community there. We have, I think, 4 communities in Colorado. 3 or 4, I'm not so sure. We have 1 bedroom to a studio.
This is a studio.
She can definitely do that.
Full refrigerator.
Do the residents here, do they have to wear like a emergency alert?
We provide that.
You provide that?
Yes, we provide that for free. It is waterproof, and you speak to a real live person.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, so it's just a small patio. Ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is.
It's like an animal. Like some kind of animal, maybe a raccoon.
Do you mount TVs or?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
So our maintenance guy will also help with that. If she wants her TV mounted or frame put up. And we have a no tipping fee. I mean, a no tipping policy.
Okay.
Because I remember there was a senior living community, there's like a minimum $20 tip for the maintenance guys. We don't do that. It's a no tipping policy.
So if she wanted a
That's nice.
If she wanted her meal delivered here, is there a charge?
No charge at all.
That's nice.
Normally, all our residents come down to
Right.
the dining room, but if she's not feeling well, help her go to her doctor's appointments, let's say on a weekend, because our driver's only here Monday to Friday.
Right. Do you allow hospice to come in?
Yes,
If they
ma'am.
need it?
Well,
Dependent. Do you, I mean, I'm talking like, if you haven't seen someone for like, so you go and check on them.
yes, ma'am, we do that. And what I love about this community, we're very tight knit. So even the residents themselves will say, hey, Jack didn't come down for lunch. Can you please go out? Yeah, absolutely.
And how many people live here?
We have about 137 residents. We have 136 apartments.
Okay.
So we have double occupancy, of course, that's why. We have cottages. I don't know if you noticed outside.
Yeah.
They're all occupied. There's a long wait list for the cottage.
What's the ratio of men, women?
I would say 65, 35.
Women?
Yeah, 65% women, I would say. Might even be 60-40 because time lands that you're exercising and I'm touring again. Remember how you call this? It's not a therapy bed, but
It's a chiropractic bench.
there you go. I'll see you, Lance. And then we have a chapel right here.
Rooms have their own thermostats.
Yes. Even the 1 bedrooms, you can control the temperature in the bedroom from the living room, even the 2 bedrooms. So just the studios, you only have 1 AC, but most apartments, you can even control the different rooms.
And what is the name of the
Earlier for the travel program, this is Aegis, the therapy office.
Okay.
So if you have, I think they're either doing therapy for somebody, or it's too early for them to be gone for the day. They're probably doing therapy in their apartments. That's what they normally do. Let's say there's somebody who wants to stay and visit her and stay in the guest suite. So that $100 covers 2 people and all the meals on the day.
Okay.
But when you do the travel program, you don't have to pay. So we have designated housekeepers for every floor. And this is an example of a model apartment that has no patio. But we love the view from the bed because you're facing the courtyard.
That's nice.
This is one of our larger studio apartments.
Yeah.
I do have small studio apartments also, but I think if your mom would like to stay in a studio apartment, she can definitely. I even have a studio apartment with 3 closet spaces. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It has a very beautiful view. We do see some deer on our property at night. Do you live nearby? Since
Okay.
the housekeeper comes in to do light housekeeping, we provide toilet paper.
Okay.
She's welcome to use ours, or if she wants to have her own, it's also okay.
And do they do like dusting, vacuum, all that, and clean the
Yes.
bathtubs and that, or
Yes.
showers, whatever?
And
Okay.
anything over that, you just let us know. Of
Okay.
course,
Take out the
if there'll be
garbage
more.
too.
Yes, they do. They do that as
And then
well.
you said the linens and bedding, they will wash for her.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. If she chooses
Is that
to
week?
use our.
Is that weekly?
It is weekly.
Okay.
But that's for if your mom uses our towels and
Right. Oh, wait, your towels and linens.
yeah.
If she has her own, then
She'll
we
have
would
to
do
do
it, or I would do it for her.
her.
Okay.
Yeah.